Hey everybody, Tony Bickert here, truck camping golfer. I'm standing on top of Stonehenge here, the Stonehenge rubble. Yeah. And I thought I'd give you a 360 from this angle in the sunrise. It's rising rapidly, so I'm going to do that for you. Yeah, there's a campsite fire ring, big one. But this must not be the season of the campers, the local campers. So I've had this place myself for, this is the third day. Yeah, here comes the sun. I have to watch. I'm pivoting on top of this rock, and if I pivot a little incorrectly, too much, down I go. But I have health insurance now. I just got some yesterday. It's another story, another topic, another playlist. There you go. Yeah, there's nobody in that 360 but me.